In a recent decision by the Office of Fair Trading, they imposed fines collectively totalling some £39 million on a number of leading recruitment companies in the UK. This decision we thought was an interesting one because it touches on a number of important industry sectors, including employment law and also construction. Basically, the recruitment consultants had been faced with a new entrant into the market, and they had decided that with someone new coming into the market, their margins would be squeezed and this would be adverse to their long-term economic interests. Therefore, they got together and decided that as a group they would simply not ever deal with this company, they wouldn't supply any staff to them, and generally would boycott that company from any activities they might do in the future. In addition, it also appears that they were engaged in some form of price fixing in relation to their own activities. Obviously, under the competition legislation in the UK, price fixing is considered to be a very serious offence, and the authorities have power to impose fines of up to 10% of a company's turnover in relation to any offence they come across. What the decision is interesting about is firstly that it's one of the early cases which deals with collective boycotts, a group of people agreeing not to deal with somebody, and also it indicates a much harder line from the Office of Fair Trading in relation to the level of fines, because at 39 million, although the total fine could have been 173 million according to the OFT statement, it appears that they're now starting to impose larger fines for the same offences we've seen for some years, on the basis that business really should know better. The leniency application which enabled some of the parties to get immunity means that parties are very much more likely to become subject of an investigation, because the Office of Fair Trading gives total immunity from a party who comes to them and confesses what they have been up to and effectively grasses on all the others who have been involved in the illegal activity. Therefore, they get the benefit and the others suffer the penalty. So the chances are that you will get caught. It has been suggested by at least one of the parties that they may wish to appeal the fine to the Competition Appeal Tribunal, and obviously that's something which we'll wait to see in due course. But the fact is that there's no doubt that competition awareness, competition compliance, and the risks of getting caught are now even more important for business than they've ever been before.